In this video, I will show you how you can create a Wise business account from within the app. So first go and open up the Wise app and sign into your account. Then click on your initials in the top left. Now here you will see I already have a business account, but you just want to go and click on open a business account. Then it will say where is your business located. So for me it is correct. Then click continue. Now what is your role in the business? I'll select the top option. Now here enter your company name and it will actually search for your company name. Then go and click on continue. Then go and click continue again. Now here go and help verify your account faster. So add a category for your business, then add a subcategory. Then do you have a website? Then here describe your business in more detail. Add the size of your business. And then you will need to pay to create your business account. And you can see right here, it will cost a one-time fee of 50 euros. And then you have created your Wise business account. So now you know how to create a Wise business account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.